Hi guys, Nafis here from Technobiz, and in this video I will show you how to clean the AirPods Pro. So I have been using them from the day that they were released, and since then the case has mostly stayed inside my pockets, and in that period it has collected a lot of lint and dust. I don't know how they get inside the case even when they are closed all the time, but it is clearly visible. I had the same issue with my old AirPods as well. I just got those not even a year ago when the wireless charging case dropped, and you can see how dirty it got over time. It lost all its shine and gloss, and now it just straight up looks dirty. So to prevent my new AirPods Pro from turning old quickly, I have decided to clean them regularly so that they always have that fresh look. So to help me with the cleaning process, I have a couple of things here. A piece of ordinary cotton cloth, or you may choose a towel if you want, as long as it is soft, dry and lint free. An isopropyl alcohol spray. I picked this up from somewhere to clean my laptop or iPad screens, and this is actually part of a kit that comes with this soft cleaning brush. There are similar products that cost less than $10 on Amazon and eBay that you can buy as well. A baby toothbrush, because it has soft bristles and will not be able to damage any of the sensitive parts on the AirPods Pro. A little bit of water, less the better, because we are not going to heavily use it anyways, and a tissue paper or dry kitchen towel, whichever you have shall do the trick. The first thing I will do is spray the cloth with the isopropyl alcohol spray a little bit and then wipe the outside of the AirPods case. If you don't have any alcohol spray, it's fine. You can use water to lightly dampen the cloth and then clean the outside of the case as well. Now to clean the inside of the case, I will use the blue brush to gently brush off the lint, which are mostly prominent around the edges that are hard to reach. But please do not use any water or alcohol spray on the inside of the case to prevent damaging the metal connectors inside. It will always stay shiny forever as long as you keep it clean. If there are some marks on the case that is hard to remove with the brush, then you can use a dry cotton swab to apply some pressure and just rub it off. I also use the kid's toothbrush to get dirt and lint off of the cracks, but you really don't have to do it. I'm doing it because I may be suffering from OCD, but you really don't have to do it. As I told you before, this is just up to you. Now that the case is clean, let's work on the AirPods. The first thing that I will do is take off the ear tips. They are made of rubber and is kind of a magnet for earwax, so it's better to take them off and then clean with water. But before that, I will lightly brush the AirPod speaker mesh to get any dirt out, and for those pesky cracks, I am going to use the toothbrush again. And after that, I'm going to use some alcohol spray to clean the stems. Now finally, let's work on the ear tips. I will just dab my fingers on some water and then give it a good rub. Then I will use the tissue to dry it and also clean any remaining dirty water. Once that is done, it is important that you leave everything as it is to dry before you reassemble it. And when they dry, click the ear tips back on each AirPod. The ear tips are oval shaped, so make sure that you align them before you click them back on. And there you have it, a clean and fresh AirPods Pro. So guys, that's it from me today. If you enjoyed watching this video, then make sure that you like and subscribe down below. See you again next week. Peace.